We're live here at the annual Eastbay Stepsiders car show. We got some nice people going on, nice looking cars here. What year's your Cutlass, sir? 71 Cutlass, looking pretty clean like that blue on there. All right, word on the street. This is a 56, 57 Pontiac, correct? 56 or 57? How you doing today, sir? Welcome to the car show. Is this a 56 or 57?
52.
52. We way off. We was all way off. It's a 52 Pontiac, clean. Everything original. This young man has brought this car out so we can take a look at it. That's the word on the street. We at the car show, Eastbay Stepsiders. Yeah, we got this RC411 over here. This pretty red. Yeah, these the cars. They looking kind of nice out here. We gonna judge them. Y'all need to come on out and look at some of these nice cars. This is another Pontiac. Not sure what year. Look like maybe a 75, somewhere in there. Whoops. 68. Okay, I'm low. I'm late. We got the Super Sport Chevelle. This is nice. Look at the colors. Y'all better come on out and check the cars out.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing, baby? Get out there at the show. This is how we get out at the Eastbay Stepsiders Truck Club.
Okay,
We out here doing it live. This word on the street. Go, sister. That's what's up. I'm gonna be back to take some more reports after I show these cars. And we got another Pontiac over here. Playing some nice Frankie Beverly. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we get down. Uptown. Tell me something. He got a gold sparkle type thing going on. Yeah, we don't know what car this is. Oh, there goes some of the Stepsiders. There goes some of the members. Let me go down here and see what word on the street is. Hey, old timers, how y'all doing down here? Everybody all right?
Everybody doing fine.
Everybody doing all right?
Where's your
Excellent.
beer at?
It's down there. I don't finish that. I got about 15 more in the thing. I got a whole cooler full of mine. They roll. How you doing, sexy? That's Big Sexy right there. Yeah, he holding down the table where they come in and side up. Got my sister Tay. Sister Tay and Mac down over here.
You don't call me no Mac Daddy.
You know Mac Daddy.
No. I'm up to the rip salt.
I'm feeling this is going on the news. This is going on the news. Look at
I did not sign.
Girl, I'll let you sign it later.
I go
This is where the hard workers work. You see how hard they're working. Ain't doing a thing. Big Upshaw park his truck. And then he sit down. He got his good hair on today. Can we get a close up of the good hair? Good hair? Let's get a close up of the good hair, baby. Yes, that's that baby hair. That's that baby hair. All right, word on the street. This Lisa, I'll be back
That carpet on there.
to mess with y'all later. We want to see what's happening. We're going to get some more cars up there. Look at Cool Breeze over there. He's so cool. I love him to death. The beans was out of sight. He makes some good beans. They was out of sight. Now we back here with the truck side. We got Prez. He got his little thing shining up and clean. Yeah, we got some nice stuff going on, y'all. Y'all know y'all like it. Y'all know y'all like it. And he got a mask up in there. Somebody's face. That's his girlfriend. That's what we can get on the toll booth. Yeah, this is nice too. Look at this here. And we got my family out here today. What's up, family? It's Eastbay Stepsiders Truck Club. Hi, Poochie. She gets so big. Everybody got their colors on, got their cars shined up, rims and tires looking good. This is what we do every year. We come out in September. We hook it up. It's a beautiful day. Y'all come on out here. Check it out. Oh, we got a little one over there. I didn't see this one. Shoot, all Stepsiders welcome. We got a raffle today going on. You want to tell us about the raffle? We got a raffle going on. They got some good, I need some of that. Ooh. Lucas, car cleaning, t-shirts, hats, microwave, and a big old TV. That's a TV right there. I'm trying to get that. Everybody buying them raffle tickets. Family's in the house. We got Lisa Ray's catering out here, serving up some good dogs and links. Y'all better come get it while it's hot. We waiting on the rest of them. The Chi-Town over there, they getting together. We're right here in front of ShopRite. Y'all know where we at. Avenal, between Bancroft and Foothill. We in the hood, doing the most good. All right.